major issues that students experience as late are about their mental health. To give further insights about it, I interviewed a few students to share their experience. As a student, gaano kadalas ka nakaka-experience ng mental health struggles?
Kadalasan kapag sobrang tight ng schedule namin, like, sunod-sunod yung deadlines, tas nakaraan, defense, ganun. Tapos sumabay pa yung training sa iba't ibang contest, like, ito nga sa BSBC.
As of now po, araw-araw since marami po kami ginagawa sa school and talagang bombarded kami sa mga assignments, lalo sa research and all.
Only from time to time po since I have my own time management po within school.